high prices and strange phases. The local sense that something precious is disappearing, that the place where they were born is changing, and that neither the place nor their lives in it can be the same again.
I was born by the river Teifi. I fished it with a bent pin and a piece of string. I've swum in it, I've played with it. It was our playground. And today, it doesn't belong to us at all.
We are slowly but surely losing the rights that we have always held very near to our hearts. Fishing, when I was a boy, was quite available to all and sundry, but today it is lost to those people who are coming in and buying our stretches of water.
The salmon have come up the Teifi for thousands of years. The ancient Britons fished for them from their coracles. The river has become richer in fish as the coracles have dwindled in number and as the formation of local associations reduced poaching. Take the Newcastle Emlyn Association.
Oh, it was formed by my father and a great many other landowners in this area who put their fishing in very cheaply with the idea of improving the river.
Has it in fact improved the river?
Yes, I think so. Of course, the coracle net's coming off. There used to be 57 coracles in non-tidal waters, and now I think there's only about 2 or 3 left. There's this phenomenal run of Soan, which has taken place in the last few years, which wasn't so when I was a boy. Of course, the trout fishing undoubtedly is a good deal worse with the advent of the big run of Soan.
But this improvement in the water has really been fetching the outside people in, has it?
Oh yes, undoubtedly. The advent of the motor car, holidays with pay, people are able to come down here, higher standard of living in every way.